Today I'm going to show you a beautiful property in the area of Monte Castello di Vibio, which is between Perugia and Todi. It is a property with a large olive grove, about 100 trees, 110. It's an old house. It has been restored in 2007 and also extended by this lower part here. It's an old farmhouse, and I'll show you. It has beautiful views and a swimming pool as well. Okay, we'll start from here. This is the back of the house with the main entrance, and here you can see a little bit already. And over here, here is a storage area, technical room and everything. There is solar power. They have solar power panels on the roof for electricity and hot water as well. There is also a gas heater, and there is a beautiful garden here. Look at this, just gorgeous. An English garden, as you can see, with flowers and shrubs and cypress trees, a beautiful lawn. Here is the side of the house. You can see there are beautiful views, and there is a swimming pool. Okay, here. The pool is a salty water pool. It's 4 by 8 meters. It has a shallow and a deeper area. There is a thermal cover, also a winter deck, but that is not on at the moment, of course. And look at the views, they're beautiful. And it has an against the stream swimming possibility over there. Okay? Here you can see Todi over there. I don't know if you can see it here. Here, look at that. Beautiful, eh? And the house is over there. There is also a portico here with nice sitting, lounging areas. The garden goes all the way over there until the high trees, the oak trees, and then it goes down below to a lower part of the garden. Here, I'll show you. Here, over there. There is a well over there, and the land goes until the farmland, where the farmland field starts. So where the grass is, cut, that's still theirs. Okay. Okay. Land is about a hectare, so 10,000 square meters. Okay. Now we go into the house itself. As I said, it has been restored and extended. This is the newer part, which is not in stone but in plaster work. The roof has been completely insulated. Here is a beautiful sitting area, and here as well. And this part was a veranda which has been closed and turned into a living room, and I'll show you here. This is a great sitting area, perfect for a glass of wine in the shade, looking at Todi and Monte Molino, the Tiber below, and the hills beyond the Tiber Valley. Okay, here is a dining area, a barbecue, and here the parking area where we were before. Okay, so let me take you inside. Instead of entering by the main door, which is over there, we'll enter from this side, from the veranda. Okay, this is the sitting room. It's an all open plan sitting dining room with arches, all built. This is new, but it's all built in the old style. It has underfloor heating, which is very nice in winters here. Winters don't get very cold, but the floor tiles can be cold, and when they're heated, it's really perfect. This is the sitting area, okay, with a thermal fireplace. Here is an entrance area. Okay, this is the official entrance with a bathroom here. I'll show you here. Small bathroom. Okay, and another storage area behind it. Okay, so here we are at the central hall again. The sitting area. There is a bedroom over there, I'll show you later. Another sitting area corner here. And here we have a study. Very nice study with 2 rooms. It could be another bedroom if you want. And there is a bathroom here, a larger one, as you can see, with a toilet and a shower. Okay, so, okay, I haven't shown you the kitchen yet. Of course, here is in the roof, there is this window which can be opened electrically. Here is the kitchen. A very nice kitchen. The kitchen will stay with its appliances. There is a fridge, a freezer, and an oven, a dishwasher, and of course the cooking area. Okay. Here is this nice sitting room. It's all very spacious but still cozy with all the arches and everything. And then here we enter a guest room. Okay, very nice, quiet, and it has the entrance to the portico over here, and there also is a storage and walk-in cabin. Okay, well, from here we go up to the first floor. The lower floor is about 190 square meters, and the first floor is about 55. Okay, so here we have some storage. We have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom here. Okay, this is bedroom number 1 under the roof with a nice closet, and this is bedroom number 2. Okay, and the bathroom with a bath and everything you need. Okay, so we have beautiful views from here as well. The windows are double glazed. There are mosquito nets, and the views are just gorgeous from here. Okay, so if you want more information on this property, have a look at our website, www.lecasadidori.com. Okay, bye-bye.